today I'll be showing you how to download Classic Us. It's like a new game, but like it's Among Us, but it's Classic Edition, you know. So let me show you. First of all, you need to search Classic Us, okay? If you're on a PC, laptop, or anything like that, click the top link. And here, as you can see, you have all this stuff, but you now need to click download now. Now, you don't actually have to pay money. You can just click no thanks, just take me to the downloads. And basically here, you can just find which files you using or like whatever computer. I'm using Windows, so I'll just download the Windows version. Discover more. As you can see, thanks for downloading. It's going to be downloading. So if you see this in the corner of your computer, Classic Us 2026.524 window. If you're depending on if you download it on Windows or not, since it's 2026 the time of recording, it says 2026 version, whatever. Now we just wait for it to download. After it's done, check your primary files or your downloads. Then you need to extract all. Show extracted files when complete. Extract. Now this is going to open up. This is going to pop up. And basically all you have to do is now click Classic Us 2026 or this Classic Us. Then you need to click the application, this Classic Us. Just double click Classic Us. And now you are going to be logging in. And here's the update. You need to do this stuff. It's not gonna take that long. You can just like watch your phone while you do it, or maybe some YouTube. But yeah, that's how to download Classic Us, guys. Bye.